well. What are you waiting for?
What are we waiting for, boss man?
What are you waiting for?
Just standing, just standing.
Writing a ticket, dude.
Ran a ticket after you search your car.
Huh?
How do you say chick?
Chick.
Chick? Okay.
Church.
Church? Holiday church? I always wanted to see what, because before when you started, you had like the little name tag, the little name tag.
Yeah.
But this one you have like the one here and then a one here. Yeah. This guy. Oh, okay. You get the Nika doing all the work.
Huh?
You get the Nika doing all the work.
You gotta learn, dude.
Yeah. That's what it's not like. They stand around, but somebody's gonna be working and he's the one working. I get it now. Okay. Handcuffs. Over here, to let him go. And that's it.
No, that was CHP, dude.
CHP, huh? That's it?
You wanna go pursue?
Go pursuit. I'll do a pursuit. Hey, I'll do a pursuit if you want a pursuit.